If you're tired of paddles with dead spots killing your shots, inconsistent spin ruining your game, or expensive paddles that don't match your playing style, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best pickleball paddles that deliver power, control, and spin across every skill level and budget. From affordable entry options to professional tournament-grade paddles, these choices prove you don't need guesswork to find your perfect paddle. Whether you're a beginner learning the game, intermediate player improving skills, or advanced competitor, we've got the perfect paddle. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the Selkirk SLK Latitude Max at $80 to $110. The Latitude Max features a polymer core providing good power and control balance. The core technology delivers a consistent response across the paddle face. The sweet spot is generous, forgiving off-center hits. The fiberglass face offers durability and reliable spin generation. The textured surface grips the ball, enabling topspin and slice shots. The paddle weight around 8 ounces suits most players. The elongated shape provides extended reach at the net. The grip size options accommodate different hand sizes. The edge guard protects against ground strikes. For beginners wanting a quality first paddle, recreational players seeking value, or anyone exploring pickleball affordably, this delivers solid fundamentals. The entry-level positioning and fiberglass face place it at number 5. At number 4 is the Selkirk SLK Halo Power Max at $100 to $140. The Halo Power Max features an enhanced polymer core optimized for power generation. The core design provides an explosive pop-off paddle face. The power output benefits aggressive baseline players. The carbon fiber face delivers exceptional durability and spin potential. The carbon construction is lighter than fiberglass, enabling faster swing speed. The textured surface enhances spin generation significantly. The aerodynamic edge design reduces air resistance during swings. The weight distribution favors head-heavy balance for power. The grip comfort suits extended play sessions. The build quality is excellent with premium materials. For power players wanting explosive shots, intermediate players developing an offensive game, or anyone prioritizing pace generation, this delivers impressive capability. The power specialization places it at number 4. At number 3 is the Joola Perseus Pro IV at $160 to $200. The Perseus Pro IV features Ben Johns' signature paddle design refined through professional feedback. The paddle represents pro player input in development. The design balances control and power effectively. The Carbon Flex face technology provides a responsive feel with excellent control. The face material flexes slightly, absorbing impact for touch shots. The surface texture generates consistent spin. The reactive polymer core delivers controlled power without sacrificing feel. The core response suits finesse players needing touch. The sweet spot is large, enabling consistent performance. The elongated shape with an extended handle benefits two-handed backhand players. The professional-grade construction withstands tournament play. The USAPA approval ensures regulation compliance. For intermediate to advanced players, control-focused competitors, or anyone wanting proven professional design, this delivers championship-level performance. The premium pricing and control focus place it at number 3. Coming in at number 2 is the Selkirk Labs Project Boomstick at $180 to $220. The Project Boomstick features experimental design from Selkirk's Innovation Lab. The paddle represents cutting-edge technology testing. The unique construction pushes boundaries of paddle performance. The design philosophy prioritizes maximum power generation. The elongated face with extreme length maximizes reach and leverage. The extended paddle provides an advantage at net and during serves. The length enables powerful drives from baseline. The reach benefits taller players and aggressive net players. The carbon fiber face with specialized texture creates exceptional spin generation. The surface technology grips the ball aggressively. The spin potential enables sharp angles and defensive lobs. The face construction is lightweight yet extremely durable. The specialized core design focuses on power while maintaining control. The core technology dampens vibration despite power output. The sweet spot is well positioned for aggressive swings. The weight distribution optimizes power generation. The handle length accommodates two-handed shots comfortably. The extended grip enables versatile shot selection. The build quality reflects premium lab-grade construction. For advanced power players, innovative gear enthusiasts, tall players wanting reach advantage, or anyone seeking maximum power potential, this delivers experimental performance. The extreme design and limited availability place it at number 2. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Selkirk LUXX Control Air InfiniGrit earning this position by delivering the best overall combination of control, spin, durability, and versatility. Pricing runs from about $200 to $250. The LUXX Control Air features revolutionary InfiniGrit surface technology, providing unmatched spin generation. The proprietary surface creates maximum ball grip, enabling extreme topspin and slice. The grit texture is permanent and not wearing off like traditional paddles. The spin capability genuinely changes shot possibilities. The aerodynamic throat design reduces air resistance by 35%, enabling faster swing speed. The aerodynamic shape allows quicker reactions at the net. The increased swing speed generates more power without extra effort. The design innovation provides a measurable performance advantage. The carbon fiber face delivers exceptional control with a responsive feel. The premium carbon construction provides consistent performance across the entire face. The touch and feel enable precise shot placement. The face material inspires confidence in finesse shots. The X5 honeycomb polymer core provides the perfect balance of power and control. The advanced core technology dampens vibration excellently. The sweet spot is large and forgiving. The core response suits all playing styles from baseline power to net finesse. The build quality is flagship level with premium materials throughout. The construction durability withstands intense tournament play. The edge guard protection prevents damage. The overall craftsmanship reflects professional-grade standards. The weight options include multiple choices optimizing individual preference. The standard weight provides versatility. The lighter options suit quick hands. The heavier options maximize power. The weight customization enables a perfect match. The grip comfort is exceptional, with a cushioned handle reducing fatigue. The grip size options accommodate all hand sizes. The handle length supports various grip styles. The ergonomics enable extended play without discomfort. The versatility suits all playing styles and skill levels. The paddle performs excellently for power baseline play. The control enables soft dinking at the kitchen line. The spin generation allows creative shot making. The all-around capability benefits complete players. What makes the LUXX Control Air #1 is delivering complete paddle performance without compromises. The InfiniGrit technology genuinely provides superior spin impossible with standard surfaces. The permanent grit eliminates performance degradation over time. The spin advantage creates a competitive edge. The aerodynamic design measurably improves swing speed. The air dynamic throat reduces resistance, enabling quicker reactions. The speed advantage benefits net play and defensive situations. The innovation translates to actual performance gain. The control feel is exceptional, enabling precise placement. The carbon fiber face provides a professional-level touch. The sweet spot of forgiveness suits all skill levels. The consistency builds confidence in shot execution. The power generation is excellent without sacrificing control. The core technology balances characteristics perfectly. The paddle transitions smoothly between power drives and touch shots. The versatility eliminates the need to adjust playing style. The durability ensures long-term investment value. The InfiniGrit surface maintains performance indefinitely. The premium construction withstands tournament demands. The build quality justifies premium pricing through longevity. For advanced players demanding the best performance, tournament competitors seeking an edge, control players wanting spin, power players needing finesse capability, or anyone wanting the absolute best pickleball paddle available, the Selkirk LUXX Control Air InfiniGrit delivers exactly that. The combination of revolutionary InfiniGrit permanent spin surface, aerodynamic air dynamic throat design, premium carbon fiber construction, balanced X5 polymer core, exceptional versatility across playing styles, and flagship build quality makes it the best pickleball paddle you can buy right now.